inside this Luglox's guts.
Okay. Ah! Oh, they keep shocking me because that's what we sell here, are shock rods. And they made me run a full mile before.
Huh? Why is the door closed?
Ah! Okay, so we have the best shock.
Who is it? You got my Munch Dash delivery?
Shock rods.
What? No, it's us.
Oh, shit. Really? Good job. Oh, hold on.
Is that Gene? Okay, get ready. I want you to stab me right into his fat little belly.
You gotta just come to us and like, ow, oh, god damn. Oh, fuck. I'm gonna, okay. All right, so.
What the hell, Gene?
He installed new locks because he assumed you get killed. He keeps saying it's his house now.
What? No. I just took the liberty of upgrading your security. Did you really kill Nine Talk, though?
Yeah, we actually did.
Well. Didn't think you had it in? Yeah, I'm really blown away. I'll be honest with you. I expected you to die.
Oh, thank you.
So, what did it feel like, killing Nine Talk?
Look, I gotta be honest, it felt good. It felt great. I mean...
Hey, Gene, lift up that shirt and expose your soft little belly for me. I'm coming in hot.
Yeesh. Forgot how psycho he was. Why don't you just, hold on to him for now?
Oh, sure, yeah, we'll keep him far away from you.
Yeah, thanks. Now, go turn in your bounty at the Bounty 5000. I got it all set up for you.
No, seriously, let me stab him.
What the fuck? You have to do everything the fucking UI tells you to do?
Yeah. Fuck you, Gene, you piece of shit.
Oh, shit, sorry.
It's fine. I've lived through worse.
Okay, he's tough. Let's try again later then.
So, what, you're some sort of bounty hunter now? What are you gonna save humanity? You only kill the bad guys, not the good ones.
Yeah, pretty cool, right? Are you proud of your sibling here?
I mean, not really, but you enjoy. You enjoy.
Well, there you go. You're a real bounty hunter now.
Huh, would you look at that? I guess we're really doing it.
Yeah, I didn't expect you to get your footing so quick. I don't even have any leads on any G3 bounties. You're, serious about going after them, huh?
You bet. We'll take them all down, including Garmantuous.
Well, you're welcome to try, and if you do, you might want to go to the pawn shop and buy back the Dodge unit I pawned off. Forgot to tell you about it. Go scrounge up some pesos and buy that, or whatever else tickles your fancy. I'll have some G3 bounties ready for you by the time you get back.
Sure, sounds good. Thanks, Gene. Just maybe next time don't assume we're just gonna die.
Right. Got it. You're really gonna need that Dodge unit from the pawn shop. The suit's not really complete without it.
Avant-garde this is or anything. It's not. It's just standing here being boring. Yep, my name's Pubis.
Wow, look at that stamina. You must have been on track team or something. Gene said you might have the old Dodge unit that goes with this bounty suit.
Oh, yeah, we got that. Why? You want it? I want it too, so it'll cost you.
Yeah, no, we know how buying stuff works. Hey, whoa, easy there, Toncho. We gotta buy the Dodge unit first.
Wonderful! All right, there you go. One Dodge unit. Have a nice life!
All right, we got it. Let's try this bad boy out and then head back to Gene.
You gotta buy something. You ever been to a store before? You know how this works, right?
Oh, you like that? Oh, you like that, huh? Well, it's mine. You can't have it. Good eye. That thing's a real beauty. And I'm keeping it. So buy something else. Come back soon.
Okay, great. You got the Dodge unit. So how about it? Think you're ready for the big leagues, kid?
What do you mean?
The big league! The G3 cartel! That's the next step, taking down their head officers.
Okay, you're positive that we're ready for that?
Yeah, whatever. Might as well try. But they won't be pushovers like Nine Torg, so, well, to be honest, I don't care if you live or die. You know that. You know my whole deal. But, hey, it's your funeral. So go check out the Bounty 5000 whenever you're ready. Got two G3 leads for you right now. Krubus and Douglas. You can pick which one you want to let kill you first.
Are you fucking kidding me? We had to get here when there's a goddamn sandstorm going on, bunch of fucking sand in my eyes. No, you got a helmet on. No, I don't. you sure you can navigate through this? I can't even tell which direction we're going anymore. Oh shit, Greebles. Look at them go. They eat up broken ship parts. Does it taste good? No idea. I'm not about to give it a taste test. Oh yeah, no, you need to kill these guys. No, but it's so fucking dangerous out here with this fucking weather. You never know what kind of shit's gonna fly into your face with the wind and the sand, but we should be able to make it to Dregtown if we just, you know, trudge through it. I'm telling you, full of ghosts. Oh, I think that's Old Town in the distance. You know, that was the first settlement out here, pre-G3. We gotta pass through there to get to Douglas. Yeah, a wreck like this is pretty normal on Port Terine. You know, this asteroid's always been a lawless land, but now that the G3 set up shop, it's even worse. Do we have here? Yeah, the G3 don't officially run things out here, but, well, unofficially, yeah, they run things out here, and with an iron fist. Needing this. Hey, hold on. You know, maybe we can use that to our advantage.
I love you more than anything in the world.
You're dead, asshole!
I think we should do Taco Bell for tonight.
Got another one!
Let's get ready for supper, dear. I'll prepare the meal.
Watch it! Yeah, it's probably a lot of fun for you, but I've I've been on a lot of adventures, and I can tell you firsthand that this is pretty lame. So let's get to the good stuff, all right? Hey, you know, I'm sure this goes without saying, but you know that green stuff is toxic and will hurt you. So don't go into it. Boy, you are always in some kind of rush, aren't you? I'm not judging. I'm just observing. All right, I can see Old Town. It's just across this bridge. And you know, I'll tell you what. The more thieves have this. I'm gonna check it. Oh my God! You gotta call me a Keebler again. You son of a bitch! Son of a bitch! I can't believe you called me a fucking. Whoa! Hey, tough guy! Hey, look, walk wherever you want. This is the fucking Mac and Cheese Brothers construction site. We ain't done here. Okay? You gotta be careful. Whoa! Hey, calm down! What the hell? How do you want to handle this? Maybe we just, you know, move past them. Are you kidding me? You think you could just walk up into a Mac and Cheese Brothers construction site, Lord of fucking Jesus Christ, and just fucking walk around like you own the place? There's a goddamn bottomless pit over here, asshole. You think you can survive that? Falling through a fucking bottomless pit down to the bottom? I don't think so. We got work to do. Okay, I can't believe this. What your big deal, you? Whoa! You fucking piece of shit. Oh, I can't believe what we have here. Hey, easy. Hey. What's your big deal, bro? Hey, what the frig? Hey, what the hell you doing? What's your big deal, bro? Hey, easy. Hey. Tough guy killing construction workers. This alien's a piece of shit. Whoa. Hey, how dare you? What's your big deal, bro? You fucking piece of shit. Oh, look at you fucking alien coming in here treating us this way. Now who's gonna kill the bridge or whatever across this fucking ravine? Hey, one brother's not enough. You gotta kill two of them? You tough guy killing construction workers. Are you just gonna kill everyone now? We're trying to do a job here and you come and kill us. Easy. Holy shit, those guys are intense. You know, you could have killed them, right? I would have been fine with that, I think. You're fucking kidding me here. Hey, we're the Mac and Cheese Brothers. Oh, hey, idiot, nice jumping. Drone strike! Surveil this! Platforming all over the place like some tough guy. Hey, fuck you! Oh, look, the fucking asshole can tether. What did you do? Try not to slip and fall into that bottomless pit, you fucking asshole. Okay, yeah, I can help with this. Come on, you just gotta bounce it off the wall. I love it. move through this place and we'll get to Douglas.
Hey, you whippersnappers looking to get into Old Town?
Hey, we should talk to this guy. I calls him like I sees him. He seems helpful.
Howdy there, partner. Welcome to Old Town. They call me Old Wet Grundy. How can I help you?
So, why do they call you Old Wet Grundy?
It's 'cause I'm old, and I piss myself every day. I'm doing it right now.
You're pissing yourself while you're talking to us?
Oh, yeah. Big time. It's still going. Ooh, this is a good one.
So, well, you know, tell us. What is this place?
Well, I just told you it's called Old Town. Back when settlers first landed on this asteroid, we formed a little trading post free from galactic law, where anyone could come and do as they please. Nowadays, Dragtown steals all the thunder, but for a few years there, Old Town was nothing to sneeze at.
All right, so Old Town is the old town, and Dragtown is the new one?
Old Town has heart, used to serve a real purpose for the people. Dragtown is just a pit of debauchery and drugs. The concerned G3 cartel.
Hey, do you happen to know where we can find a guy named Douglas?
Douglas? The G3 fella? Oh, he's a rough one. Never seen somebody drink as much as him. Why, just last night, nope, I shouldn't speak out of turn. The G3 don't like that none, and I don't like them. Just head down to Dragtown. I'm sure you'll find them.
And how do we get to Dragtown? It's been a little bit for me.
Oh, that's easy. You just go through this gate, pop into Old Town, and shoot straight down the main strip. You can't miss the big Dragtown entrance. It's a real goddamn eyesore. Wish they'd get rid of it. I'll open the gate for you.
Oh, well, thanks, Grundy.
That's Old Wet Grundy. And of course, opening the gate's my whole job. It's why I'm here. I'm happy to do it for some charming young whippersnappers like you. This is sweet liquid just pouring out so smoothly. No gallbladder issues. Oh, this is a good one. Oh, it flows right out. Oh, like I was a young man again. But that ain't Youngtown. That's down the street. Oh, yeah, this feels good. Have a good time in there, youngin'.
Woohoo! That party last night was crazy! Did you see how wasted Douglas got?
Hell yeah! Joining the G3 Hey, look at that weirdo in the scary bounty hunter suit. Let's get him!
Oh, there's more of the gift. You fucking stupid bitch, I'm sorry. Listen, this is an Old West shootout, it's cool.
What the fuck? I'm on your side.
I like vaporous gas.
All right, can we just wrap this up and find Douglas? I think that might be all of them. What do you think? All right, either way, let's just head to Dragtown.
Dregtown's past here. I just stand around and tell people that.
Hey, sorry, excuse me. I just curious, is there a fella named Douglas down there?
What, like G3 Douglas? Yeah, it's his job to be down there. I heard he was partying pretty hard last night, though. Hey, I can't let anyone in right now. There's too many recruits causing trouble in town. I get in trouble when that happens, so I'm gonna keep the gate locked until they stop. Or get killed. Wink, wink.
Are you telling us to kill them?
Whoa, I didn't say that. I just said wink, wink, and... Okay, yeah, that's what I meant. So go kill him and I'll let you through. Oh, you want to talk to me? You got some questions for me?
How do you like, living in Dregtown?
Oh, of course. There's always a ton of cool shit to do. Gambling, shows, dodging stray bullets. This month they got Zoobles doing a big show on the main stage. I'm gonna go see him and ask him to marry my daughter. You only get one shot, you know.
I mean, do you like sitting here guarding this gate? Seems kind of boring.
Oh, I hate it. Worst job I've ever had. All the new G3 recruits come busting in and out all day at all hours, running around, shooting the place up and causing trouble. I'm always really freaked out I'm gonna get shot and die, but hey, it's a living.
Can you tell us a little bit about Dregtown?
Oh, it's your classic den of sin and villainy stationed on the underside of an asteroid. You know the drill. The G3 kind of runs things unofficially. They're just everywhere down there. They got a whole training facility and everything. So, classic shit, like I said.
So, I'm just making small talk here, I guess. But what do you do for fun?
Oh, plenty. I usually go down into Dregtown and get fucked up. I love doing Fergals, but I've been hearing great shit about those new humans. Yeah, I've been saving up to try some out. Oh, and I've been binging Space Version Frasier.